Well, that was easy. Thing is heavy though. Probably weighs more than me. That'll, I could just imagine having, basically sitting on this for the mini bike thing, the trike. It'll be like, this is gonna be awesome. Then the transmission will go right here for the mini bike thing. Now I gotta get this off. Okay, well, what I'm gonna do now is, this will take a little bit too, which sucks because I'm sick of cutting, but I got that off and that off, and now I just gonna cut this frame, this part of the frame off for the, whenever I get the next transmission. That way I have somewhere to mount it on, and then I'll use, I have metal here that'll mount up to the, what's it called? It'll mount up to the mini bike frame. But I guess this is it for now. I'm throwing these away because I have enough tires, and I'm keeping, I don't think I'll probably keep that. Not that, that's garbage. Look how flimsy this frame is before I go. I mean, I don't know. That's just one hand. That's just, it's garbage. It's a junky frame. Compared to this beast, this frame is thick. I don't even know. And then you look at this, and that's just crazy. Alright, well, bye.